Okay, so this lab is just basically a computer lab. And let me just briefly go over it. You and your friend are visiting a newly discovered planet called Quantum. And having some free time, you both decide to measure the acceleration due to gravity. You drop a ball from rest while your friend videotapes it. The video camera takes, guess what, 30 frames per second. The ball's distance in units of blocks from the starting point is measured every frame, as shown in the data table below. Using a meter stick, you figure out that 20.3 blocks equals a meter. So then you just have to do a whole bunch of analysis. But remember, what are you trying to do? You're trying to figure out the acceleration due to gravity. Well, how do you do that? You do that by plotting velocity in meters per second versus time in seconds, right? And you're going to get something like this. And the slope of that is acceleration, because acceleration is the change in velocity over the change in time. Now, but there's a lot of things you have to do. I mean, look at the distance is in blocks. Well, what's a block? Well, here's a conversion factor. 20.3 blocks equals a meter. So you're going to have to do that, just like last week. Not just like last week. Yeah, just like last week. And there's just a lot of graphs you'll have to do. And just don't forget, you have to get a straight line, because the acceleration due to gravity just on this planet is constant, just like the Earth. And so a lot of questions, and you know what the answer is going to look like. So if you get something crazy, like, I don't know, like this or this, it's wrong. You should get a straight line. Okay, so let me show you something else real quick. So for these first two labs, I have comments, reminders about today's lab. I don't usually do that, but for this one, I do. So again, everything must be typed. You have to submit your Excel worksheet, and then I tell you what the lab report should include. So just make sure you read that, and then you'll do things correctly. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you.